Welcome. Today I'll show you how to create a custom signature on Gmail. So first log into your Gmail account and click on the gearbox, then go to see all settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you see signature. You get to signature here, you'll notice that I have no signatures, so we'll create a new one. Click on create a new one, then we'll name it, give it a name, JW Media, and click create. Okay, once you create, here's where you'll write your signature. So for example, we can have kind regards JW Media, or something of that nature. Then you also notice you can play around with the font colors, the text type color, the background color. Italize. For example, we can italize this, then bold it. Perhaps change the font to something else that we'd like. Maybe Verdana here, and see how that looks like. We don't like the bold, we can remove the bold. We don't like the black color, so maybe we can try a gray and see how that looks. Maybe that's too light. So we come back here and edit to something else. See how that looks. Okay, let's assume we like what we see. We can also attach an image. So for example, if you want to attach, click on insert image here. You can upload one from the drive, or you can get it from your drive, or come here to upload. Select a file, pick the file that you want, for example this one, then it'll upload it online. Once it uploads, it should appear here. Notice that this one is so large, maybe you want to reduce the size. Okay, so you can click on it. Actually, when you click on it, you have original size, large, medium, small. So we'll choose maybe medium, see how that looks. That's maybe a bit too small, so we can try large. And then we see that we like that. Okay, you can also embed a link on the image so that when someone clicks on the image, it takes you maybe to our website. To do that, we'll highlight the image, then click on the link button here, and then insert a web address. So perhaps you can use this website here. Click on that, paste the link there. Okay, that embeds it. Okay, once you're done, you need to come to signature defaults. Here you'll select and say for new emails you use, for example, if you want this to appear on all your new emails, you'll select the signature you'd like. So meaning that you can create multiple signatures, so you just choose the signature you want to appear. On reply or forward use, you can also pick the same email. Then we have this option, insert signature before quoted text in replies, or remove the dash lines that precede it. Personally, I like to remove it, so I'll click on that. And then scroll down to the end and say save changes. Okay, once you're done, come and click on compose to confirm. As you can see, it shows you the signature that you've created. Then send a test email just to confirm that this link works. The link we've added here works. So send an email to myself. Okay, subject to call it test. And you can just press send. The email is here. As the email opens, if you notice, if I click here, it'll take me to the website. Okay, so that's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe.